Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version on Linux Mint 22.3, but the process is same on all Linux Mint 22 versions. Okay, then we will connect from the DB viewer. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.8 LTS version. If you are unable to find the version here, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system. See here we don't have the Linux Mint, but open terminal /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu Debian and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. So select the Ubuntu Linux here and select the Ubuntu 24.04. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the Debian packages. Okay, instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 489 megabytes and it is star file. Once download completes, then we will untap the star file and we will install the list of MySQL Debian packages. Okay, this will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Go to terminal. Then go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.8. We have to untar it, tar -exec, then MySQL, then press the tab, hit enter, ls. See, we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them, but before installing them, install following dependencies. Sudo apt install macapp -ipadic -utf 8 lib aio-deb. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Okay, control it. Sudo dpkg -i start.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Now set the password for root account. Hit enter. Re-enter the same. We have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is running. Okay, and its service is enabled. Quit to quit. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that you have set for this root account. Hit enter. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 8.4.8. You can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases that comes with MySQL installation. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. Create database. Then provide the name of the database. See, we have created database. Let us verify the same. See, new database is there. Okay, now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, we don't have any table, so create table. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these users. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. Here David8123 is the password. Hit enter, verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL Server with this new user. Exit MySQL -u, new username is David -p. Provide this password. It is type. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. See, we have connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version on Linux Mint. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, MySQL Server stopped 3 seconds ago. See here, it is inactive or dead. Okay, quit, Q to quit. Now start it. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. See, we are unable to connect, so start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL Server started 2 seconds ago. See here, it is active and running. Q to quit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. See, we have restarted 3 seconds ago. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL Server by using MySQL Workbench TPR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench TPR on Linux Mint operating systems. I have installed TBR on this machine. So see, here we have the TBR. Click on it to open. Now click on this new database connection or go to database and select new database. Then select MySQL, then click on next. In server host, local host is fine because MySQL is installed on this one. Then port number 3306, we have the database bank. Then we have the user root, then provide the password of this root account. Then click on test connection. See, this is the expected error, public key retrieval is not allowed. Click on OK. Then go to driver properties. Then see here, this allow public key retrieval, by default it is false. Change it to true. Then click on test connection again. See, successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.4.8. Click on OK. Click on finish. Click on this connection. Expand databases. See here we have these databases. Expand users. See here we have these users. If you want to run queries against this database, right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now run the query against the table that is there in this database. Execute the query by clicking on this execute button. If you want to see the list of the tables, see here we have only one table. Okay, if you want to create databases, right click on this database, then create new database, then provide DB name. Click on OK. See, new database is there. Even you can verify the same. See, we got the new database. In the same, if you want to create users, right click, create new user, or we can run the query here to create the user. Okay, exit list. So we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.4.8. So these files are not required anymore. I'm going to delete them to clear the space. rm start.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. ls, remove this one also. rm mysql, then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version on Linux Mint 22.3. Then we have connected to MySQL Server. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.